Are you a plus-size traveler looking to make some friends? Let's go see how it's done with the Three Caballeros. This is your fat test of the Gran Fiesta Tour starring the Three Caballeros. You're at Fat Tested Travel. This is Jason Vaughn. I am currently 345 pounds with a 52-inch waist, and I am 5'8". The Gran Fiesta Tour is a gentle boat ride similar to that of It's a Small World and Pirates of the Caribbean. As you can see, long bench seats. So as long as you are able to get down into the boat, you will be perfectly fine riding it. This ride is based on a 1944 film. I believe that makes it the oldest intellectual property represented here at Disney World. The original ride here in the Mexico Pavilion was El Rio Tiempe, which was a look at Mexican history and culture. It became the Gran Fiesta Tour on April 6, 2007. This brought Donald Duck, Jose Carioca, and Panchito Pistoles from the film The Three Caballeros to a whimsical ride. In 2015, they added 3 animatronics to the end of the ride. These animatronics were originally part of the Mickey Mouse Revue that actually opened in Magic Kingdom in 1971, but were moved to Tokyo Disneyland in 1980. Jose is a Brazilian parrot, and Panchito is a Mexican rooster. The ride is about 8 minutes long in total. Many have said that they would like to see Coco come here, and Coco is represented in other parts of the Mexico. The challenge is a very small and narrow queue that would have no place to go for a busier ride. The voice of Jose is provided by one of my favorite voice actors, Rob Paulsen. You may know him from the Animaniacs or Pinky and the Brain. He plays Pinky. Zoinks! Wait, that sounded more like Shaggy. I'm not a good voice actor. February 3rd is the unofficial Three Caballeros Day. Much like Hidden Mickeys, this ride actually features Hidden Donalds. Let's see if you can find them. Are you getting photos for your daughter?
I took them on the...
Oh, okay.
Good looking out, though.
Do what?
Good looking out, though.
Excuse me, we are looking for a job.
Ay caramba, I hope you enjoyed this slow boat ride with the Three Caballeros. Make sure to like, follow, and turn on those notifications to see more fat-tested rides and point of views. And leave me a comment on the other rides and parks you'd like me to see me fat test. Also, thanks to my friends Bruce and Crystal for joining me on this ride.